Struggling with anxiety? Here's a quick fix. To deal with anxiety, the first step is to calm yourself. When the mind becomes anxious, take deep breaths and try to focus. This helps bring a sense of peace. Remind yourself, this too shall pass. Regular yoga or meditation can be incredibly helpful. When our mind is overwhelmed with worries, we need to acknowledge and accept our feelings. A positive mindset and a sense of surrender can guide us through it. Talk to your loved ones and share your emotions. Reaching out for support reminds us we're not alone in our struggles. Are you someone who's always eager to learn something new and improve your life? Then don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. This channel is packed with amazing tips and tricks that will completely change the way you think. Every video is a step towards your success. So why wait any longer? Tap that red button and join our YouTube family. We'll grow together, and trust me, it's going to be a fun journey. We're here to help you thrive, one video at a time, and we'd love to have you with us.